Hi everyone, Mike McNeil again with Alcorn Music Studios. We're just going to talk about a basic swing groove just to get you started with jazz. So what we're going to do here is we're going to play quarter notes in the ride cymbal and just count to 4. So let's just start with that. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to add the hi-hat on beats 2 and 4. So it's going to help to count while you're playing. And when we play the hi-hat on 2 and 4, a good way to do this so that you don't have to think about it as much and it kind of gets on autopilot is to play your heel on the bottom of the pedal gently on 1 and 3, and then your toe on 2 and 4. So your foot's just rocking back and forth on all the beats, and it's easier to keep it going without thinking as much as you start to play more complicated things on top of it. So basically you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe. And so let's do that with the ride cymbal. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and so now we're going to add a couple more notes on the ride cymbal that's going to give it the swing feeling. And these notes are going to land kind of on a triplet grid. But we don't have to worry too much about that for now. We're going to kind of do this by ear. So here's how I would count the ride cymbal rhythm. There's many ways to count rhythms, but this one I find works well. So it's going to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. So we're still just counting to 4. We're just adding an extra note before 3 and before 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. So you can see there's a little pickup note that goes into beat 1 and into beat 3. So now I'll just play that on the drums so you can hear what it sounds like. 1, 2, 3, 4. And just one more demonstration, I'll click it on the sticks, just the ride cymbal rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. All right, well, I hope that helps you out starting out with your swing groove.